Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word Velour. Valor. Velour. Velour. Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The couch was covered in soft velour fabric, making it perfect for lounging. Velour is a soft, plush fabric with a rich texture, typically made from cotton or synthetic fibers commonly used in upholstery and clothing. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.